This is a boat that came in that was frozen, and it's we've been running the heater for days, and it's finally getting to the point now that it's thawing out a little bit. This concerns me a little bit on this boat. If you see where those marks are showing, something is leaking in between the transom assembly and the hull. There's that's not good. I'm not sure if you can quite see. There's something different colored right in the back there that it looks like it's been, like the transom assembly's been out and it's been patched. But we'll see that later. But one of the main other concerns is that it's got the standard old Bravo slop in the drive. And that's pretty excessive. So that's where we are today. We'll keep on watching it drain for who knows how much longer. We've got the heater up inside of there. It's been running for days.